From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear viewers. Today, the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, in 3 straight tweets, exposed the vein of the issue. Amit Shah called out the Gupkar gang and he exposed the Antonia de Mino Congress. He said, and I quote, "The Congress and the Gupkar gang want to take Jammu and Kashmir back to the era of terror and turmoil." He said, and I further quote, "Either the Gupkar gang swims along with the national mood or else the people will sink it." Amit Shah also said, and I quote, "Jammu and Kashmir has been, is and always will be an integral part of India. Indian people will no longer tolerate an unholy global Gathbandhan against our national interest." And my dear viewers, the spineless Antonia Mino Congress, in a press conference today, declared that they are not part of the Gupkar gang. They are lying. The Antonia Mino Congress, 3 days after knocking on Mehbooba Mufti's residence to ally with the Gupkar gang, is in damage control mode. But the nation recognizes them for the Mir Jafars that they are. The nation recognizes Omar Abdullah's two-faced approach when he today paints himself to be the flag bearer of democracy only a few months ago, talking about a separate prime minister for Kashmir. These are hypocrites, Brutuses, Judases, Mir Jafars and Jaychand's viewers. They cannot ever, these double-faced Jainuses can never be taken at face value. So tonight, my dear viewers, the debate is straight. And the debate is simple. This Gupkar lobby and its cheerleaders must decide. Either they are with India or they are against it. For those people who say I talk in binaries, well, I do. I talk in binaries. If people have a problem with it, I couldn't care less. Black or white, true or false, with the country or against the country, with the Gupkar gang or against it. The time has come for all of us to choose. That's debate number 1 tonight. Let's choose which side we are on. Let's choose which side we are on. Debate number 2 tonight at 10 o'clock. For all those members of the Lutyens gang who thought the Augusta deal is over, no, it's not over. It's only beginning to come out and flower. And I'm told that there is one particular editor in Lutyens who gets very scared when Augusta is talked about. I wonder why. The nation wants to know. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Amit Shah launches an unsparing attack on the Vadra Congress for its unholy global Gathbandhan with the Gupkar gang. Backroom talks and underhand seat deals documents expose the Antonia Mino Congress as the attempt of face saver. It's nation first and development first for the people of Kashmir. They reject the anti-India Gupkar gang. Augusta scam back to haunt the Vadra Congress. ED investigations finds link to top Gandhi loyalist Kamal Nath. Sensational probe details out where Augusta kickbacks rooted to the firm linked to Kamal Nath's sons.
Defense deal without a loot. No defense deal without some Congress leaders becoming the beneficiary.
And UP-era defense deal truth stares at Sonia Gandhi. Antonia Mino, the pressure mounts on the Vadra Congress to speak out. Ladies and gentlemen, the Union Home Minister has launched a full frontal attack on the Vadra Congress for its global Gathbandhan with the Gupkar alliance that stands against India's sovereign interests. Tonight, the Vadra Congress is trying to run away from national anger, but India has chosen which side it is on. Let us now debate.
On Sunday, after holding a closed-door meeting with Mehbooba Mufti and Farooq Abdullah, a top leader of the Congress party declared an alliance with the Gupkar gang for the upcoming DDC polls.
जो पार्टीज अलायंस में आई है, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, पीडीपी, कांग्रेस और भी जो दूसरे पार्टीज हैं, ये सब मिल करके इन डीडीसी चुनाव में मिलजुल के हिस्सा लेंगे, लोगों को अपील करेंगे.
A declaration that revealed what Congress wanted kept under wraps. But Home Minister Amit Shah has called them out. He said, the Gupkar gang is going global. They want foreign forces to intervene in Jammu and Kashmir. The Gupkar gang also insults India's tricolour. Do Sonia Ji and Rahul Ji support such moves of the Gupkar gang? They should make their stand crystal clear to the people of India. Congress and the Gupkar gang want to take J&K back to the era of terror and turmoil. They want to take away rights of Dalits, women and tribals that we have ensured by removing Article 370. This is why they are being rejected by the people everywhere. Jammu and Kashmir has been, is and will always remain an integral part of India. Indian people will no longer tolerate an unholy global Gathbandhan against our national interest. Either the Gupkar gang swims along with national mood or else the people will sink it.
Today, Home Minister Amit Shah tweeted and called Gupkar gang as going global, said that this gang is trying to get the foreign intervention in Jammu and Kashmir, asked Congress chief and also Rahul Gandhi to make their stand clear.
A blazing attack that has put the Congress on the mat and forced them to give statements like this. A desperate attempt to wriggle out.
लाइक-माइंडेड पार्टीज ने आपस में तय किया है कि हम सीट शेयरिंग करेंगे. ये जो पार्टीज अलायंस में आई है, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, पीडीपी, कांग्रेस और भी जो दूसरे पार्टीज हैं, ये सब मिल करके इन डीडीसी चुनाव में मिलजुल के हिस्सा लेंगे, लोगों को अपील करेंगे.
अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के पार्टी इकाइयों को ऑथराइज किया है कि वहाँ पर वो अपने हिसाब से, अगर उनको ऑफ़र भी आ रही थी, इधर से भी कई लोगों को ऑफ़र गई है कि अगर आप लोकल लेवल पर आपस में एडजस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं, हमें उसमें कोई एतराज़ नहीं है.
But India has seen through the charade and the questions are mounting.
आज आतंकवाद पर बहुत हमारी सेनाएं भारी पड़ी है, सुरक्षा भारी पड़ी है. आज वहाँ के लोग आतंकवाद से उबे हैं. अब लोकल टेररिस्ट नहीं आते, तो ये सब सारी खुराफात तो उसी के लिए की जा रही है.
Like they did when Rahul Gandhi stood shoulder to shoulder with the JNU lobby in 2016. Like they did when Congress decided to question our forces during the Pulwama terror attack.
जो एक झंडे के विरोधी लोग हैं, जो एक संविधान के विरोधी लोग हैं, वह और देश के टुकड़े टुकड़े करने वाले लोगों के साथ मिल गई है. इससे बड़ी बदकिस्मती कांग्रेस की कोई भी नहीं हो सकती.
Is there a Congress backroom deal with anti-national Gupkar gang? Was Congress forced to release statement after Shah's attack? Did Congress leaders hold meeting with Gupkar gang members? Is Congress on the back foot after being called out by Home Minister? Is Congress joining hands with Gupkar gang to push motivated agenda? Will Congress come clean on its pact with Gupkar League? Why the constant U-turn on alliance with Gupkar gang? Do Sonia Rahul back Mehbooba's comments on the tricolour? If there's still an iota of doubt, this is what the Congress has chosen to stand with tonight.
India-China or India-Pakistan. The only future is talk. War is not a solution.
मगर जब तक हमारा अपना एजेंडा डाकुओं ने डाके में ले लिया है, तब तक हम किसी और एजेंडे को हाथ में नहीं उठाएंगे.
Let's debate.
And on the debate tonight, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, General Bakshi, Lalit Ambardar, Yana Mirchandani, Gaurav Arya. We're going to have a fantastic debate tonight, aren't we? Wani Yasmin, Irfan Hafiz Loan, Abid Mair Magami of the Congress, and Peer Vikarul Aslam from Srinagar. And we'll have a couple of guests joining in. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I want to start with you debating with Abid Mir Magami of the Congress Party from Budgam. Okay, we dropped the line with Sudhanshu Trivedi. So let's open the debate with General G.D. Bakshi. General G.D. Bakshi is on the debate, and General G.D. Bakshi will debate with Peer Vikarul Aslam from Srinagar. General G.D. Bakshi, to start the debate, two observations from my side. We debated at 7 also. And you and I are of the view that if these people, the Antonia Minor Congress, are teaming up with the Gupkar gang, they should do so publicly. They should not think that the people of the country are fools. That you will do a deal with an anti-national group in Kashmir and not reveal it to people in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra or Kerala. You agree with me, sir?
Absolutely, absolutely, Arnab. You've hit the nail on the head. It's time to talk some home truths first about the Gupkar gang. There are two families in J&K, Arnab, that have suckered successive central governments in Delhi. They have built them off crores of rupees sent for the poor people of J&K. They robbed all that largesse, Arnab. They never let it reach to the people. And very cleverly, professing to be centrist parties, they sold themselves to the ISI. They treated the Hurriyat as a government in waiting. And they, when the entire terrorist outfits were decimated, they raised armies of stone pelters. They paid for the stone pelters, they supplied them. Arnab, nobody could have done greater treachery, and especially this Mehbooba Mufti lady. I think she crossed all limits in demoralizing the armed forces, in slapping false cases upon them, dictating their deployment, driving them out of South Kashmir to the borders so that Burhan Wani could arise there. You don't know the level of damage they have done to this republic. And then they want to act smart.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now that, they felt that their champion in Pakistan had been bashed in Balakot. Bashed. And Pakistan had kept quiet for a year plus. During the removal of 370, Pakistan was as quiet as a lamb. There were no major terror strikes then, because they were kicked black and blue. That is the time the Chinese stepped in, Arnab.
Yeah.
And they started making threatening moves in eastern Ladakh, primarily to prop up Pakistan. Go ahead, boy, we are there. The pity is, Arnab, the champions of Pakistan have also cut a very sorry figure. Their troops are shivering. They want just to get the hell out and push the Pakistanis in. The Pakistanis have been bashed. The Chinese have been shown their place. And, Farooq Abdullah, who was making clarion calls to China. They are traitors. They have disrespected the flag. They have no business to take part in our election. No business. And what is this that the Congress sneaking up now to them? To traitors? Outright traitors?
Sir, this is a, these are parasites. In botany, there is a group of plants called Hostoria who live on others. These are parasites. I never speak against people who are elderly. But I must say this about Farooq Abdullah. Dr. Farooq Abdullah, apologies if you take it personally. Please take it as a description, not anything personal. But you, Farooq Abdullah, are a political parasite. You're a political parasite. And I'll tell you why, Farooq Abdullah, you're a parasite. Because I once met you in Udaipur. Peer Vikarul Aslam, I last met Farooq Abdullah in Udaipur. Unke saath meri mulaqat hui thi. Sudhanshu Trivedi. And in front of a group of people in Udaipur, he started speaking great things about the country. He said, we are all united, India is one, we will fight the enemy together. This is the approach that Farooq Abdullah takes when he's in Udaipur. And when the same Farooq Abdullah goes back to Srinagar or Budgam or Baramulla, there I'll tell you what he says. He says, we had a prime minister. We will take that position of prime minister back one day. He says that. And he says Jammu and Kashmir should have a separate prime minister. He says we'll have a separate prime minister, we'll have a separate flag, we'll have a separate constitution. So the problem with people like Farooq Abdullah, Sudhanshu Trivedi is that they have one line in Srinagar and one line in Delhi. These are terrible people. They are worse than terrorists. आतंकवादी से भी बुरे हैं ये लोग, क्योंकि इनकी कोई एक लाइन नहीं होती. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, they take one line in Kashmir and one line in Delhi. And now the same people आज लोकतंत्र की दुहाई दे रहे हैं. They are talking about democracy, Sudhanshu Trivedi, and you are on the debate right now with Abid Mir Magami. And I want you to ask Abid Mir Magami, क्योंकि ये कांग्रेस पार्टी से, उनके पूछिए आज सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, क्या ये गुपकर गैंग के साथ है?
About Farooq Abdullah. And also
you can ask him.
Leaders of the Congress party, they say one thing in Delhi and one thing in Srinagar. And this is the typical characteristic of this entire group of leaders since last 73 years. 3 and 4 generations have passed, but the characteristics have not changed. Who has taken the Kashmir issue to global? It was Congress in 1947. Who has introduced 370? This was nowhere in the instrument of accession. It was Congress. Who has inducted in 1954 Article 35A? It was Congress. Same group of people now talking about internationalization and others. And the 3 main parties of this alliance or this gang is saying what? One is saying that we will take the help from China. Another is saying we will not take up the flag of India. And the third, the Congress party's chief, Saifuddin Soz, former chief, has written a book in which he said that the Jammu Kashmir should not be the part of India. So all these 3 are the...
But Mr. Trivedi, we need to know what their arrangement with the Gupkar gang is.
और मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ, सुनिए.
But we need to know what their deal with the Gupkar gang is. They need to go public with it. नहीं, ये हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के. और publicly you say that I don't have anything to do with the Gupkar gang, but we need to know what is your agreement with the Gupkar gang. We need to know. आप पूछिए, आप Magami से पूछिए, आबिद मीर Magami से पूछिए. I want that in black and white on the program today, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Let there be an open debate on what their deal with the Gupkar gang is.
Magami से पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अर्णव, मुझे पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं इनकी फितरत पिछली 4 पीढ़ी से जानता हूँ. सुनिए, ये कश्मीर में जो आ रहे हैं, वापस आएगी तो झंडा और संविधान और वो सदर रियासत का पोस्ट वापस आएगा, वो ऐसा नहीं है. इनके ऊपर तो अर्णव, मुझे एक लाइन याद आती है, अमित शाह जी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा है. Either they should make their stand clear or they will sink, the people of the country make them sink. तो मैं तो इनको कहना चाहूंगा, ये सिंक होने के लिए ही बने हैं. एक लाइन है इनके ऊपर कि कश्ती भी नहीं बदली और दरिया भी नहीं बदला, पर इन डूबने वालों का जज्बा भी नहीं बदला. कश्ती भी नहीं बदली, दरिया भी नहीं बदला, इन डूबने वालों का जज्बा भी नहीं बदला. है शौक सफर ऐसा, एक उम्र हुई हमने, मंजिल भी नहीं पाई, रास्ता भी नहीं बदला. तो डूबते रहेंगे, ना मंजिल पाएंगे ना रास्ता पाएंगे. इसलिए इनसे पूछने का कोई लॉजिक बनता ही नहीं.
नहीं, मगर मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. I want to ask you, Mr. Magami, what is your arrangement with the Gupkar gang?
Definitely.
What is your party's arrangement with the Gupkar gang?
The party stand is clear. We are not part of the Gupkar alliance.
What seat sharing arrangements are going on between the Congress party and the Gupkar gang?
Did you forget whom you called Gupkar alliance? Did you forget in 2002 NC was part of the NDA? Umar Abdullah was a junior minister in Vajpayee ji's
I am asking
government.
you about today's
Did
Gupkar
you
alliance.
Just.
I am asking you about today's Gupkar alliance. Lalit Ambadkar is on the debate with you.
Let me finish.
No, I will let you finish, but you don't philosophize with me. Tell me in clear terms whether you have an agreement with the Gupkar gang.
Was Chief Minister and Dr. Nirmal Singh, the BJP President, Jammu and Kashmir was Deputy CM. Did you forget after demise of Mufti Muhammad Saeed Mahbub Mufti?
I am asking you about the Gupkar gang today.
And Kavinder Gupta.
Don't avoid my question.
Gupta, BJP.
Don't avoid my question.
Did you forget
what is? I am informed.
Alliance?
Don't avoid my question. Okay,
no,
so you ask me a counter question, I'll reply.
It's a clear message. Don't try to
Mr. Magami, Mr. Magami,
Congress.
Mr. Magami, Lalit Ambadkar will respond to you, but after one line, please. 1 second. Lalit, one, only because he said, who do you mean by the Gupkar gang?
आपको से सर्टिफिकेट लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं, आपने गुपकर गैंग के साथ क्या डील की है? आप मुझे बताइए, व्हाट इज योर डील विद द गुपकर गैंग?
कांग्रेस का स्टैंड क्लियर है, कांग्रेस कोई भी पार्ट नहीं है गुपकार अलायंस के साथ, दैट्स क्लियर।
यू आर लाइंग, आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
हाउ कैन आई लाई, हाउ कैन आई लाई, हाउ कैन
आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं लाइव टेलीविजन पे, यू आर लाइंग।
आप कैसे
हाउ कैन यू लाई? देन आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, हाउ कैन यू लाई? आई डोंट नो हाउ यू कैन लाई, बट यू आर लाइंग।
हाउ कैन आई लाई, हाउ कैन आई लाई, हाउ कैन आई लाई?
You are, how you lie is your business. I can't tell you how or why you are lying, but you are lying.
आप क्या सुनना चाहते हो? कांग्रेस का स्टैंड क्लियर है। कांग्रेस
मैं क्या सुनना चाहता हूँ? नहीं, मैं आपको जनाब तथ्य बता रहा हूँ। एक मिनट, okay, one second, Lalit, one counter I'll tell you. No, I love this. One second, I love this. When people lie on television, I love exposing them. One minute. मेरी एक बुरी आदत है, जब लोग खुलकर लाइव टीवी पर झूठ बोलते हैं ना, मैं उनको लेकर उनके झूठ को प्याज की तरह काटता हूं। तो आप बैठिए। 14 नवंबर को ऑन द 14th ऑफ नवंबर अलाउ मी टू कंप्लीट सर।
जो भी प्रोपेगेंडा होता है वो नेशनल,
आई एम टेलिंग यू, डोंट गिव मी लेक्चर्स ऑन टेलीविजन, यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ टीवी प्रोग्राम। ऑन द 14th of November, Congress leaders participated in a Gupkar gang alliance meeting at Mehbooba Mufti's house. The house is called Fairview. Gulab Nabi Monga of the Congress party said we'll stand firmly with the Gupkar alliance. Was he lying then or are you lying now?
No, it's an official statement. Congress.
Was he lying then or are you lying now?
We are not part of a Gupkar alliance. It's an official statement.
No. We are not means then why are you standing by them? Lalit Ambadkar again he's lying on television.
No,
again, what official line? You think the people of the country are fools?
Don't try to fool people. Don't try to
I've caught you red-handed. What do you mean?
Don't try to.
Lalit Ambadkar is on the debate. An open live on a television program. Unacceptable.
Don't,
sir, listen.
Don't try to fool people.
Listen, Indian National Congress is becoming a clone of pre-partition Muhammad Ali Jinnah's Muslim League. Their policy continues to be inspired by pan-Islamism. They keep
try to read history. Try to read history.
Does he agree with what Chidambaram said? Chidambaram is the most senior leader of Congress party. He said we are with the people of Kashmir, including National Conference and PDP, and we will help them restore 370. Ask him, is he refusing to acknowledge that? Number two, see, we don't need your certificate. Listen. You tell your own people.
I don't need your certificate. I don't need your certificate.
कश्मीर के बिंदु में गंगा जल है और कश्मीर तुम लोगों की जायदाद नहीं है। कश्मीर 47 से नहीं बना हुआ है। शेख अब्दुल्ला और तुम्हारे नेहरू के बीच की जागीर नहीं है ये। कश्मीर की 5000 साल पुरानी विरासत है।
Don't try to
what did you do to the state that Maharaja Hari Singh gave you on 26th of October 1947? Answer it. You Congressies, what have you done to the state?
Your problem is,
what did you do the Kashmiri Hindus there?
One second. Nirmal Singh is also on the program today. Nirmal Singh.
Sovereignty in Kashmir from within.
Nirmal Singh ji.
You destroyed Kashmir from within.
Nirmal Singh ji.
Don't try to fool people.
Nirmal Singh ji.
Flourish right under India's secular watch in Kashmir.
Don't try to fool people.
Nirmal Singh ji.
Kashmir Jihad to flourish.
Stay calm.
You allowed the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus to happen right under India's secular watch. You spoke one language.
You be calm.
You spoke other language in Jammu, another language in Ladakh, but in Kashmir, your polity is inspired by two-nation theory of Jinnah, whether it be Congress, National Conference, PDP, and CPIM.
We are not here to talk about Jinnah.
Subterfuge.
We are not here to talk about Jinnah.
India's sovereignty in Kashmir.
We are in Indian. Don't
of course you are doing it. What was
Yeah, one second. Nirmal Singh.
You just teach history.
Allowed Sheikh.
No. I need a clarification. Viewers, this is a very interesting moment on the debate. I am not doubting that you're an Indian. One second. Lalit, 1 minute. Lalit, 1 minute. I am not doubting that you are. Lalit, I am not doubting that. Okay, 1 second. Very interesting point on the debate, viewers. 9:26 p.m. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, the outspoken Nirmal Singh, is joining me from Jammu. Nirmal Singh ji, namaskar. This is Arnab Goswami here. The moot question today is whether the Congress party is part of the Gupkar gang. जब से since Republic TV and Republic Bharat have exposed the Gupkar gang, and today Amit Shah put out 3 tweets, the Congress is saying that we are lying in Republic, that they are not part of the Gupkar gang. My information and intelligence is that they are part of the Gupkar gang. What is your information? Let's have an open debate. Nirmal Singh on the left and also on the right, Nasir Kuhami, national spokesperson of the Jammu and Kashmir Students Association from Delhi, Irfan Hafiz Loan and Wani Yasmin. Nirmal Singh, they are saying we are not part of the Gupkar gang. What is your information?
Arnav, they attended, as you have rightly said, that Mr. Monga, he was a part of that meeting where this alliance was made. Ultimately, when there was a pressure from Republic and the public of India, Jammu and Kashmir, nationalist people of Jammu and Kashmir, then they came backed out. And you have to, you have listened the statement of their state president, G.A. Beer. Please listen. They are the part of the gang because you have seen that they are fighting these DDC elections together. They have made this seat adjustment in whole of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And they are supporting Congress on the floor of the House.
If they have formed a Gupkar alliance, it is their democratic and constitutional right. Who are you to counter them? It is a democratic right.
But they are doing treachery. They are deceiving the people. They are doing treachery.
Don't forget. It was you who was the deputy CM in the previous
entering into sedition.
Did you forget that? Did you forget? Don't change your message from gold to the blue. Rather, I would say criminalization. Don't change your message from gold to the blue. आप भूल गए हैं कि आप केंद्र सरकार में उनके साथ आपको पावर शेयर था और आप जो है कि मंत्री रहे, आप डिप्टी सीएम रहे.
They are pro-Pakistani, they are pro-separatist. We backed out. We backed out at that time.
Pakistani when you were coalition partner. तब तो वो पाकिस्तानी नहीं थे. When you are the part of that government, the previous dispensation led with Mahbub Mufti. तब तो आप नहीं थे.
भाई हमने अंदर जाके देखा इन लोगों ने किस तरीके से
वो तो हमें पता है. 3 साल तक आपने पावर शेयर किया. आप मंत्री रहे, आप स्पीकर रहे, आप डिप्टी सीएम रहे. तब ये एलिगेशन कहाँ थी?
आज जिस तरीके से
आप तब कहाँ थे? डोंट चेंज योर नेचर. आप तब कहाँ थे? तब कहाँ थे आप? जब सरकार में थी तब ये प्रश्न क्यों नहीं उठाया? जब सरकार में थे आप तब के प्रश्न क्यों नहीं उठाया? तब काउंटर क्यों नहीं किया? तब ये बातें क्यों नहीं छोड़ी?
हमने उठाया, हमने सरकार तोड़ी इनकी. हमने सरकार तोड़ी इनकी जब हमने देखा कि ये देश को धोखा दे रहे हैं, जब जम्मू कश्मीर को कमजोर कर रहे हैं.
आपने सरकार को
हमने इसको
आपको ये सोचते 3 से 3.5 साल लग गए.
हमने इसको एक्सपोज किया.
अगर मुफ्ती मोहम्मद सईद की जो है वफात हो गई थी तब तो ये तो आपको क्लियर करना था कि ये पाकिस्तानी जमात है. ये तो तब करना था. फिर सरकार ने
हमने किया है. अभी इनको पॉलिटिकली हम इनको जो है एक्सपोज करेंगे. इस इलेक्शन में भी इनको हराएंगे हम. You'll
Mr.
see,
Kwame,
they shall be defeated in the election.
Mr. Kwame, see the...
देखिए आप, you are no one to...
No, Mr. Kwame,
it is their democratic, it is their constitutional right.
Mr. Kwame, you know, I'll tell you one thing. Mr. Kwame. Mr. Kwame, a minute, please. General Bakshi is on the program. 1 second. General Bakshi is on the program. 1 second, Nirmal Singh ji. 1 minute. We'll have 2 versus 2 on the debate. We'll have Gaurav Arya, General Bakshi also on the program. And now let us be clear about one thing. General Bakshi, as you know, I was the strongest critic of the BJP when it tied up with the PDP. On day 1 of the formation of the government, I said that this alliance is wrong. Mr. Nirmal Singh, you know, I said that this alliance is not that it will not last. I said ideologically this alliance is wrong, the BJP will regret it. I'm sure, Nirmal Singh, you regret it today. My question is of today. Past mistakes are past mistakes, General Bakshi and Gaurav Arya.
I'm ashamed.
I'm saying as of today.
Sitting with a lady
no.
who is speaking Pakistani language. I'm ashamed.
Hang your head in shame.
Hear that one, Yasmin. Hear that one, Yasmin is on the debate now. Nirmal Singh says, I'm ashamed that we were in government with a lady who speaks Pakistan's language. Did you hear that one, Yasmin? An expression of regret from the Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm glad. Der aaye durust aaye. I'm glad, Wani Yasmin.
I hope you can give me a time. BJP.
I'm not stopping you. You're on the debate with Yana Mirchandani.
Of J&K. Local parties will not contest and BJP will easily win all seats.
No.
But they
when
form
Congress
but
says we are not,
they form Gupkar alliance to defeat BJP. Mr. Home Minister is feeling uneasy and targeting them with illogical and senseless tweets.
They support the people who say we will not pick up the tricolor
but you are
and there will be
talking
bloodbath in Kashmir.
पहले ये डिफाइन कर लो आप हो कहाँ की पहले ये तो बोलो आप कश्मीर की हो या किस पार्ट इंडिया के किस पार्ट my second point
about China and Ladakh, whether it is the topic about Balakot strike, whether it is the topic about the surgical strike, every time they call the army a liar and they call themselves nationalists. Okay, they say Congress says BJP government must think about the economy. They must think about the economy. And yet, no, you don't tell me to calm down. You go calm down. They say, I don't want to listen to you. I don't want to listen to anti-nationals. Thank you very much. It's a high time that nationalists start raising their voices. Anti-nationals have said enough, done enough drama. No, you're not my doctor. You're not my doctor. Don't you tell me to calm down. You calm down yourself. Enough. You guys have done enough drama over the years. It's high time that Kashmiri nationalists get a chance to speak. Don't beg. What are you begging?
Supporting us. What is we?
The whole country has rejected.
My question to you, Wani Yasmeen is Wani Yasmeen.
Congress says.
Wani Yasmeen. I believe in binaries, right and wrong, black and white, true or false. And General Bakshi is on the program. We all respect him greatly. Mahbooba Mufti said, General Bakshi, that we were wrong in choosing India over Pakistan. Now, somebody who says, General Bakshi, that we were wrong in choosing India over Pakistan cannot fight any election in India. Simple. I don't know what's so complicated to understand. You were wrong in choosing, then go to Pakistan. Don't claim to represent a single person in India. General Bakshi, we have to debate on fundamentals today. And you're on the debate right now with Peer Vikarul Aslam and Nasir Kwame. She said so. She said so.
Contest the election.
Arnab, I hope you have realized staying in jail for a few days, you have realized what the youth of Kashmir face in jail. But they are not so fortunate to be bailed out by Supreme Court.
Thank you.
Arnab, you are continuing the bigotry you are known for. You are being a spokesperson for BJP as you have continued to do that for so many years.
At the very outset, sir,
and Arnab has no right to talk about Kashmir. I'm sorry.
That two families
of Kashmir
he
has no right to talk about Kashmir.
Exactly.
Excuse me.
No, Venom, that's all he does.
I'm talking right now.
Represent the image
for God's sake.
Yana Mirchandani, Arnab Goswami,
don't sidetrack the issue. Don't sidetrack the issue.
Excuse me, General Bakshi.
I am telling you that at the very outset of this program, we said that two families have suckered successive central governments. So that last deal was also part of trying to sucker the central government. We've all learnt our lessons. And now this lady, this Mahbooba Mufti, had said there would be rivers of blood if 370 was reduced or was taken away. That there would be nobody. Arthi, Bharat ki Arthi ko sahara ganda dene wala koi nahi hoga.
Arnab, how did it feel to be in jail?
Right? She's been exhorting us to go and surrender and kneel before Pakistan. The other gentleman is appealing to China to come and intervene. They are disrespecting the national flag. You want to now contest elections? You want to contest elections after disrespecting the national flag, all central institutions doing outright treachery by appealing to the enemies of India. This will not wash.
Okay, now I want to reply General Bakshi.
You have not thrown them out.
General Bakshi.
What are we doing?
General Bakshi, for a minute, please. General Bakshi, if I can request you 1 minute, please. General Bakshi, if I can request you, General Bakshi, if I can request you not to cross swords with this gentleman. Instead, let me reply to him, and then my friend Gaurav Arya will take over. Peer Vikarul Aslam, you made 5 references to my name. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Peer, General Bakshi, please 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me respond to Mr. Aslam.
Do you realize how it feels to be in jail? Do you realize how it feels to be in jail? Do you realize the pain of youth of Jammu and Kashmir? When you abrogated the Article 370, 13,000 youth were sent to jails under Public Safety Act without any possibility.
I will, General Bakshi, I'm just requesting you. I need to respond to him. First of all, Peer Vikarul Aslam, you have a problem and you want to keep repeating the same thing 20 times. General Bakshi, please allow me 1 minute. Peer Vikarul Aslam, you seem to have a problem.
Just being you on your
and your problem is that you repeat your same line 20 times. Now listen to the reply. Listen to the reply. Now listen to the reply. Just be quiet and listen to the reply, okay?
I'm listening.
I finished? Point number 1
I'll
is...
be quiet. I want to be quiet like you.
Good. You'll have to be quiet. You'll have to be quiet. Point number 1 is... I went to jail and I came out of jail, okay? Much to your trepidation. People like you thought that anti-national forces will put me in jail for a long time, and people like you are scared that I came out. Okay? Point number 1. Point number 2 is...
So the court,
people who say they don't feel Indian.
Those people who sent a
people of India. 1 minute, please. Allow me. Why are you heckling like a? Why are you heckling when I'm responding? Right? When I'm speaking, be quiet and then respond. That's the proper way. Okay? Supporters of Burhan Wani should be in jail, not Arnab Goswami. People who say they don't feel Indian should be in jail, not Arnab Goswami. People who say we will not hold the flag, we will not say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, we will not say Vande Mataram, they should be in jail, not Arnab Goswami. People who say they are in India but don't feel like they are part of India, right? Supporters of the terrorists should be in jail, not Arnab Goswami. That is my subjective view. Now, as far as I have not completed, because I am going to demolish you a little bit, so just relax. You know, you have not understood one thing. Mehbooba Mufti says that people like you should be holding the gun. She says that people like you, Peer, should be holding the gun. So she and you are both the people who should who should be in jail. People who go to the United Kingdom and internationalize Article 370, now claiming the right to fight an election as part of the Gupkar alliance, are hypocrites. You should be in jail. Now you are talking of constitutional violations. When you tore the constitution in parliament, you after the program asked Mehbooba Mufti that you tore the constitution in parliament. You have no right to talk about the constitution. And last thing, when you say that you will not hold the Indian flag high, you lose the right to fight an election. Now Gaurav Arya will respond to you on the rest. And finally, I'll tell you one thing. Short-lived happiness for people like you that Arnab Goswami was in jail. What did you think, Peer? How long would you keep me in jail? The people of India and the courts of India brought me out of jail. The people of India and the courts, highest courts of the country have brought me out of jail. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Now Gaurav will respond to you.
Yeah, okay.
And थोड़े ठहराव से बात करिए. When you speak, speak in a collected manner. Don't shriek.
So listen to me now. So now listen to me.
And never compare me to your terrorists from Kashmir.
Okay.
Or urban Naxals.
All right.
Do you understand that?
Okay. Now I want to respond to this gentleman and tell him two things. First of all, when Arnab went to jail, there was an outpouring of support across the nation. Of course, you didn't like it, which means that your ideology is at loggerheads with the ideology of this country, because you should have seen those images. I met with people, children, the elderly, people as old as 85 years of age were out on the road with a walking stick supporting Arnab Goswami. Now, I want to tell you one thing.
Spokesperson for Arnab.
This entire thing about this Gupkar alliance. Now, listen to me.
No. They asked the Chinese to restore 370. Ask them, Gaurav Arya.
Not just that. Or not just that, not just asking the Chinese and saying that the Chinese will say. Mehbooba Mufti says that we made a mistake. Mehbooba Mufti says we made a mistake in not choosing Pakistan.
So go to
I want
Pakistan.
to tell Mehbooba Mufti that it's still not too late. It's still not too late. Please choose Pakistan. We want you. Mehbooba Mufti, I will fund a one-way ticket. First class. Go to Pakistan. Never come back.
And it's all about the money. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Absolutely.
It is all about the money.
Yeah.
It is all about the money laundering and embezzlement of 100 crore rupees of the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association. When Farooq Abdullah was the president, you won the money. Why don't you admit it? Admit it to Sudhanshu Trivedi today. आपको पैसा चाहिए. आपको सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए. आप मानिए Sudhanshu Trivedi डिबेट पे है.
देखिए,
सरकार
इनके ऊपर
सब कुछ, इनका पुलिस, इनका एनआईए, इनकी हु स्टॉप्स यू देन?
सब हमारी एनआईए, हमारी ईडी नहीं है. इट इज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट.
ये तो आप साल से बोल रहे हैं. 6 साल से बोल रहे हैं. केंद्र में आपकी सरकार है.
इवन व्हेन आवर गवर्नमेंट वाज अंडर अलायंस विद पीडीपी,
यूटी में आपका एलजी है, ईडी आपका है, पुलिस आपका है, सब कुछ है.
रिसीविंग a red carpet welcome. If you cases has been imposed for the money laundering and getting the money from across the border, and not only this, when their involvement in terrorism.
अरे सुधांशु जी, एक बात सुनिए.
Let's on the debate, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
मुझे पता है आपके लिए, आपकी तो वही मसला है ना, ईसा पीर सबसे बड़ा है. ईसा पीर, everybody knows about it. But one thing I would like to say, those who are saying that we people are not having any local standing to talk about Kashmir, then those who are overtly or covertly supporting the ISIS flag, जो दिखाई नहीं पड़ते, the Pakistani flag, वो दिखाई नहीं पड़ते. अब जो जुमे की नमाज में हुजूम लगाती हुई भीड़, जो किसी भी इंस्पेक्टर अयूब पंडित जैसे जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के जवान को मार देती थी, वो दौर
This is not your personal property.
आतंकवादियों के
This nation is not your personal property. आपकी personal property नहीं है. आपकी personal property नहीं है.
They are having the local standing or not us.
आपकी personal property नहीं है.
I would like to ask. अरे बताइए
And Kashmir is not your personal property either. Lalit Ambadkar also on the debate. I'm coming to Gaurav Arya. Lalit Ambadkar
का ठेकेदार है क्या? सर, ये इनसे पूछे कश्मीर क्या इनके बाप की जागीर है? कश्मीर में इस्लाम 500 साल पहले आया, 700 साल पहले आया. कश्मीर सिविलाइजेशन, यस, मेरे बाप की जागीर है. मेरे बाप की जागीर है. मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों के बाप की जागीर है कश्मीर.
All three.
सुनियो, वापी सुनियो, तुम्हारा कश्मीर नहीं है. लेफ्टिनेंट फयाज का कश्मीर है. तुम्हारा कश्मीर नहीं है. कश्मीरी हिंदुओं का कश्मीर है. 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों का कश्मीर है. तुम जैसे अब्दुल्ला और पीडीपी के जी मुश्ताक का कश्मीर नहीं है. तुम लोग पाकिस्तान के, यू आर स्टूडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. यू आर स्टूडेंट ऑफ तुम क्या समझते थे 370 की वजह? अरे what did you do to Kashmiri Hindus? Listen, what did you do to Kashmiri Hindus? Where are your Kashmiri Hindu neighbors? Hello, you Kashmiri, you Kashmiri. What did you do to Kashmiri Hindus?
We condemn that in harshest of words.
Genocide किया तुमने.
Arnab, they are lying. Arnab, they are lying. They don't condemn the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. उनके घर घेर के बैठे हैं ये लोग. कश्मीरी हिंदुओं के घर घेर के बैठे हैं ये जो कह रहे हैं we condemn. You don't condemn it. If you condemned it, Kashmiri Hindus would have been in Kashmir. Why is Lalit Ambadkar in Delhi? ललित भाई दिल्ली में क्यों बैठे हैं? कश्मीर में क्यों नहीं है? Because you don't condemn it. You only condemn it on a TV debate. You don't condemn it. दिल से condemn नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं बोला महबूबा मुफ्ती को कि कश्मीरी पंडितों को वापस लेकर आओ? क्यों नहीं बोला? झूठ बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. We condemn it. You're lying. मुनाफिक हो तुम लोग. इनके प्रॉपर्टीज, कश्मीरी पंडितों की प्रॉपर्टीज घेर रखी है वहां पे.
I think the time has come. I think that General Bakshi, I think we divide the country into two parts, General Bakshi. Those who are with the Gupkar gang and those who are against it. I think it is time for a proper ideological debate on the subject.
Absolutely.
Citizenship is a privilege that can be denied to those who do not perform the duties of citizens.
Or not. They are not Kashmiris, first of all. Lieutenant Fayaz is a
General Bakshi, General Bakshi. General Bakshi and Magami, please. General Bakshi and Magami.
अब हिंदुस्तान पूछता है तुमसे. You are being questioned on everything. You listen. You will be made accountable for every Kashmiri Pandit murder. I promise you that. And we will come back.
General Bakshi. General Bakshi, please. General Bakshi, please. General Bakshi and Magami. Sir, Lalit bhai, 1 minute, let General Bakshi come in. Thank you.
They were claiming the moral high ground. They were claiming the moral high ground and highfalutin principle. We will not fight the elections as long as you don't get 370 back. What happened? The filthy loosere, They are out of money. They want to rob and loot the people continually, Arnab. So all that highfalutin principle about we will not contest election till 370 is back. Where is that principle? How have you resiled on that principle? Why do you want to contest elections? They want the money, Arnab. It's not coming. हुरियत से मिलना बंद हो गया है. ISI से मिलना मुश्किल हो गया है. And there were some sections of our intelligence which were paying these blasted traitors to try and buy their loyalty.
No, this
is
one point
utterly
is
amazing, Arnab. This is now just a bit too much.
I think General Bakshi.
They insult the flag.
No, General Bakshi. If I may take it further from what you are saying, and you rightly make the very solid point that it's all about the money, and I want to make a small observation. You would remember, viewers, that Omar Abdullah's name was on the list of many company directors of defaulting companies disqualified by the government. Point number one. Anti-Corruption Bureau of Jammu and Kashmir is still investigating Mehbooba Mufti on her endorsements to corrupt officials in Jammu and Kashmir banks to mishandle public money. These are issues of embezzlement. Personal wealth has been amassed by these people. They have sucked money out with corruption even in the management of the Dal Lake. 400 crores of public money was pumped into the issues. Secondly, only now Kashmiri Pandits can return to the valley. And today, 182 terrorists, including top commanders of different terror outfits, have been gunned down. What protection did Mufti and Mehbooba give to the people of Kashmir all these years? Did they protect them from the terrorists? And look at the facts out here, Magami. You're a young man, you must understand. 18-year-old like Bilal Khan have topped NEET, National Engineering Examination. And in your time, 25 schools were burned down by separatists in 2016 alone. आप किस तरह की कश्मीर चाहते हैं? I am telling you, and I want to allow Nirmal Singh back into the debate. Nirmal Singh, and by the way, ये कहते हैं आपको कश्मीर में बोलने का कोई हक नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है? It is a part of my country. Why should I not speak? Nirmal Singh ये कहते हैं आप कश्मीर के नहीं हो, आप कश्मीर के बारे में नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों नहीं बोल सकते?
ये किसने बोला ये नहीं बोल?
I can talk about every part of this country and I will. Nirmal Singh, the debate is back on the Gupkar gang now.
ये नहीं बोल सकते. ये तो 2014 में
कब से मालिक बन गए जम्मू कश्मीर के? ये लोग हैं जिन्होंने अब्दुल्लाज ने, मुफ्तीज ने यहाँ पर पूरा कब्जा किया हुआ है. यहाँ के सारे रिसोर्सेज जो है, उन रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर इन्होंने कब्जा किया, या इनके लोगों ने कब्जा किया हुआ है. जितना भी पैसा पूरे भारत से आता था उसको मिसयूज किया जाता था. जम्मू और लद्दाख के साथ इन्होंने भेदभाव किया. कश्मीर के जो पहाड़ी लोग थे, गुज्जर बकरवाल थे, शियाज थे, उनके साथ इन्होंने डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया. जम्मू के लोगों डोगरों से इन्होंने डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया. और आज जो है जिस पर उनको लेने के देने पड़ रहे हैं 5 अगस्त के बाद, जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी,
मुझे पता है.
Nirmal Singh, one more point. Mr. Magami, can you hear me? Mr. Magami, can you hear me?
Yeah.
You see, Mr. Magami, Omar Abdullah, when he was chief minister, spent 20 crores on renovating his bungalow. अपने घर के लिए रेनोवेशन के लिए 20 करोड़ रुपए उन्होंने स्पेंड किए. Do you realize, Mr. Magami, आप लोग क्या समझते हैं इस देश को?
मुझे आप बताइए.
You abuse this country and you spend 20 crores of Indian taxpayer money on.
करगिल में कौन किसके साथ अलायंस में बैठा हुआ है? बीजेपी करगिल में अलायंस नहीं बैठा है एनसी के साथ.
मैं आपको
वहां पर 20 करोड़ नहीं दिख रहे हैं
पूछ रहा हूं.
हिल काउंसिल में अलायंस करके बैठे हुए.
मैं बाप के बंगले पे 20 करोड़ जो खर्च है उस पे पूछ रहा हूं.
दिख रहा है इनको. वहां पर इनको बंगला नहीं दिख रहा है. 20 करोड़ का रेनोवेट किया उन्होंने.
ये अभी तक
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं कि हवाला बिजनेस कौन चला रहा था?
हमें करना क्या है? इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी का वो काम है, मेरा थोड़ी ना काम. इन्वेस्टिगेशन का
आपको करना क्या है? गुपकर गैंग को बॉयकॉट करना है. गौरव आर्या करना क्या है बताइए इनको. गुपकर गैंग और गुपकर गैंग के साथ जितने लोग हैं उनको बॉयकॉट करनी चाहिए.
अर्नब, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल दोज हु आर आस्किंग कि हमें करना क्या है. Please understand, loyalty to the country is binary. It is 0 or 1. You can't say that we will support the country in this regard and in that regard we will not. You cannot have a different language in Delhi and a different language in Srinagar. Either you are with us or you are against us. Make up your mind.
And taxpayer money should not be funding those who've always been anti-Indian. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll take a short break right now. The point very clearly is, are you with or against the Gupkar gang? Let there be a clear ideological divide in the country on that. This is about national interest. On the other side tonight, why Kamal Nath is in big trouble on Augusta in a few minutes.